And flood watch is here. Okay.
What flash flooding caused by torrential rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of Maine, including the following areas: Androscoggin, central and southern Somerset, interior Cumberland Highlands, interior Waldo, Kennebec, Franklin, Oxford, and New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Merrimack, Carroll, Coos, Grafton, and Sullivan. When? From Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. Impact: tropical downpours and repeating storms could overwhelm drainage, leading to flash flooding. The risk is highest along steep terrain. Additional details: widespread showers and thunderstorms are expected to produce torrential rainfall. Widespread rainfall of 1 to 3 inches is expected. Greater rainfall totals are possible where storms persist over the same location. Now for the official national weather.
That still counts, I tried. I had a feeling that was coming.
Stationary front wavering over the northeast will
Hampshire's one station is...
Here is another quick scroll of the, or quick look at the scroll of the, Eton FRX5 that I recently acquired. I have no idea how to actually make it scroll, so if somebody has any idea how that works, please let a brother know, but that's what that looks like. Feels like actually it's been a decent while since I recorded a flood watch. So here's everything that's plugged in. Or had batteries in the scrolls. I came this way. This side one's not go off. Here's the 74-200. And the R500. And the HH. Zone guard. This guy. It's a pretty long scroll, obviously, as we all know. So I guess the 268 is another radio that is able to store alerts for more than 6 hours. It's going to be all New Hampshire counties, because I believe that included all of New Hampshire. I think that's the second time it's scrolled Grafton. Maybe not, actually. Maybe don't include Northern New Hampshire. And of course the 301 here. Not bad.